Have you ever applied for a loan, a new apartment, or even a job, and been met with a mysterious number, your credit score? It pops up everywhere these days, but what exactly goes into calculating that number? There are three major credit bureaus in the United States: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. These bureaus collect information about your borrowing habits and create a report that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. Today, we're diving deep into Equifax, one of the big three, to understand what exactly they check for. But before we dissect Equifax reports, let's rewind a bit. How did credit scores even become a thing? Imagine a time before the internet, when credit decisions were made by shaking hands and looking someone in the eye. Risky, right? Enter the Fair Isaac Corporation, or FICO, in the 1950s. They developed a mathematical model to assess creditworthiness based on a borrower's financial history. This model, with some tweaks over the years, is the foundation of the credit scores we use today. So, what information does Equifax use to build your credit report and ultimately impact your score? Here's a breakdown of the key factors. Payment history, 35%. This is the big kahuna. Equifax looks at how consistently you've made payments on credit cards, loans, mortgages, and even utilities. Late payments, missed payments, and collections all have a negative impact on your score. Credit utilization, 30%. This refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. The golden rule is to keep your utilization below 30%. Maxing out your credit cards tells lenders you're living on the edge, and that's not good for your score. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer you've been responsibly managing credit, the better. Equifax considers the age of your oldest credit account and the average age of all your accounts. Having a long, stable credit history is a sign of financial maturity. Credit mix, 10%. Equifax likes to see a variety of credit accounts in your report. This shows you can handle different types of debt, like credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages. New credit inquiries, 10%. Every time you apply for a new line of credit, whether it's a credit card, loan, or even a phone upgrade with a financing plan, a hard inquiry appears on your report. Multiple hard inquiries in a short period can lower your score. Understanding these factors empowers you to take control of your credit report. Here are some actionable tips. Get your free annual credit report. You're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every year. Visit Annual Credit Report to request yours. Review your report meticulously. Look for errors or inaccuracies. If you find any, dispute them directly with Equifax. Pay your bills on time, every time. This is the single most effective way to improve your credit score. Set up automatic payments if you need to avoid late fees. Keep your credit utilization low. Don't max out your cards. Aim to use less than 30% of your credit limit. Don't apply for too much new credit at once. Shop around for the best loan rates, but avoid applying for multiple loans or cards in a short time frame. Taking charge of your Equifax report and managing your credit responsibly unlocks a world of financial opportunities. With good credit, you can qualify for better interest rates, lower insurance premiums, and even better rental agreements. Remember, your credit score is a journey, not a destination. By understanding what Equifax checks for and taking control of your financial habits, you can build a strong credit score and unlock your financial potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.